Hi, and welcome to Low Carb Cocktails. I'm Frank, the Low Carb Cocktail Guy. Today I'm going to do a review video along with a cocktail of a local product called St.Roch Cucumber Vodka. Now this is from 7.3 Distilling, and I'll have a link in my description to their website. They make several different products. They make a cucumber vodka, they make a regular vodka. They also make a moonshine, a whiskey. They're working on a rum, some other different spirits like that. They're basically a full distillery making several, and their gin. Their gin is amazing. They got a great gin. I don't want to forget that one. But we're going to talk about their cucumber vodka. This is made with their basic vodka base, their St.Roch vodka, which is going to be, I forgot the exact numbers, but I want to say it was like 90 or 95% corn, and the rest sugar cane to just give it a little sweetness to it. And then it is infused with cucumber, lemongrass, and a specific type of lime leaf, which really kind of adds some complexity to it rather than just being a cucumber vodka. I've tried several different cucumber vodkas out there, and honestly, I'm not a fan of cucumbers in general, but this is really good. I've had Hendrick's gin. Definitely didn't like that. Way too much cucumber, just kind of punched you in the mouth. And I've had Effen's cucumber vodka, and I've had a few others. But St. Roch's I find to be the best balance, where it just wasn't like a punch of cucumber in the mouth. So this is a really good, I think it's that blend of lemongrass with those lime leaves infusion. So just so you know, there's 0 carbs in this for my low carb cocktail people out there. It's all an infusion, so after distillation it's infused, it's pulled back out. There's no additives, no sugars, anything like that added after all of that. So this is just a pure infusion of their basic vodka. So we're going to go ahead and make a cocktail with this. It is 40% ABV, so if you're looking at some flavored vodkas out there, you'll see that 30 to 35% ABV, because that's usually 5 to 10% sugar. So, but this one is a 40% ABV. I believe that's what it was before I say that. Let me double check. Yes, 40% ABV, 80 proof, and it's a clean vodka, really tasty. As far as a quote-unquote flavored vodka, or in this case, I'm going to say infused vodka, so it's really good. So the cocktail we're going to make today, and I've tried a couple of different things. I've done a basil lime syrup, try to play with that. But what we're going to do is a strawberry mint cucumber cocktail. The ingredients you're going to need are, of course, St.Roch's cucumber vodka. We're going to do a mint simple syrup. Basically what I did with this here is I took some xylitol, boiled 1 cup of water with 1 cup of xylitol, 0 carbs if you know anything about xylitol, because xylitol is a sugar alcohol. It is plant-based if I'm not mistaken. If it isn't, please someone leave a comment and correct me. I'd love to get some education with this stuff. After that, I added about 15 large mint leaves. Cover that, let it steep like a tea for about 15 minutes. Cool down, bottled it, good to go. And that is your mint simple syrup. And of course, like I said, strawberries. We have them here, some fresh Louisiana strawberries. So our strawberry mint cucumber cocktail. So, some of the tools you're going to need. Shaking tins, something to measure everything with, Hawthorne strainer, and a fine mesh strainer. So let's go ahead and get started. In our small tin, we're going to take, I have these quartered, so that's about 12 quartered strawberries, so 3, decent sized strawberries. And when I muddle my strawberries, I like to add a little bit of syrup or some type of liquid with it, and it kind of makes it a little bit easier. I almost just free pour that. So we're going to go with 1 ounce of our mint syrup. And we're going to go ahead and muddle all of this together. There's a couple different type of muddlers out there. Your basic wooden muddler, which has a flat surface, and I use this one for herbs. And we have one with the little bitty prongs on the bottom, little teeth looking thing. And I use these for fruit. Now, what I like about this one here for fruits, why I use it for fruit, I should say, is because it just compacts it really good. It really digs down and gets in that. And if you were to use this one on mint leaves, basil, things like that, it would really destroy that leaf and bring out a lot of chlorophyll, making your cocktail bitter. So, with this muddler, we're going to go ahead and just smash these strawberries. And like I said, you can do this without the syrup. You can just muddle them up. I find that the syrup helps make it go a little quicker when you add that liquid to it. So there we go. And next we're going to add St. Roch Vodka. We're going to go with 2 ounces of St. Roch Vodka. I keep saying St. Roch Vodka because they do make a plain vodka. St. Roch's Cucumber Vodka. And put that right there so y'all can see. And there is our 2 ounces of our St. Roch's Cucumber Vodka. Add a little ice to our large shaker. And put all said ingredients together. And give this a good shake. And there we go. Now, try to find some vintage glassware. Really kind of enhances the look of your cocktail, especially if you have friends over, drinking, and things like that. And we're going to double strain this. Double straining means fine mesh strainer, Hawthorne strainer, or fine mesh strainer. No, I guess that's really it. You're really going to be using a fine mesh strainer with a stirred cocktail because that's just all spirits. And here we go. And because there's strawberry pulp in here, it does kind of clog your strainer a little bit. That usually happens with like well, not really blueberries, but blackberries, raspberries, strawberries. It happens a lot with that. And that's that. Let's move that to the side. And of course, if we're going to be having a strawberry cucumber mint cocktail, I have a couple of garnishes here. And I did put my garnishes in a little bit of water just to kind of keep that mint fresh and to keep the strawberry and the cucumber from drying out. So we have a little bit of strawberry and cucumber skewer. And we're going to, a little too much mint, and add a little bit of mint sprig in there for our garnish. And there you have it, the cucumber strawberry mint cocktail featuring local, if you're here in the South Louisiana area. And I did forget to mention at the beginning of the video, St. Roch Vodka is a local vodka made here in South Louisiana in New Orleans. And I mentioned 7.3 Distilling. They are a local distillery in New Orleans, Louisiana. Let's go ahead and give this a taste. Man, like I said, let's fix that, keep that looking pretty. I'm not a fan of cucumber, and I tried a couple of different recipes, and this is the best one. It's got a little subtle hint of the cucumber. Now, with this itself, let me grab one of these real quick. So I'll do a little tasting of it straight also. So with the St. Roch Vodka, first thing I pick up, of course, is cucumber. But what I'm really getting is melon. I know cucumber has a lot of water in it, kind of like a melon does, but this is absolutely delicious by itself. It's got, like I said, a little kind of almost honeydew melon, not quite watermelon, a little less than honeydew melon, but it's really good. And I think that's from the kind of get the melon flavors because of that addition of the lemongrass and it's heifer lime. I think it's heifer, H-A-F-F, heifer lime, not heifer's a cow, but heifer lime leaves is the lime leaf that they use in their infusion. So, you know, guys, great vodka on its own. Man, the more I sip it, the more I enjoy it. Like I said, not a fan of cucumber, but this is some good shit. No, this is really good. I wasn't a fan of it at first, just by concept. Cucumber, vodka, love pickles, not a fan of cucumbers. But this is really, really good. And like I said, with the addition of the strawberries and the mint, makes a beautiful, beautiful cocktail. Everything plays really well together. You get a little bit of that cucumber, that strawberry. I find that strawberry is in the front a little bit more. And right away, strawberry, cucumber is right behind that. Then the mint follows. But this is an absolutely delicious cocktail. St.Roch made a great, great cucumber. Now, I keep cutting myself off. Great, they make a great cucumber vodka. Now, on the bottle, on the label, it says cucumber flavored vodka. Now, and that was a question I had with them. Was it flavored by adding things to it? And the answer is no. It's more infused. I really think by putting the word infused vodka on the label would probably would describe it a little bit better than what it is, because I think a lot of people on low carb, keto, Atkins kind of stay away from that flavored vodka just because they're really unsure if their sugars are not added to it. And I think the word flavored really I would shy away from it if I saw the word flavored. And actually, I did shy away from it until I saw it, because I saw the word flavored. I think if they use cucumber infused vodka on their label, would be a whole different story. So guys, that's it. Thank y'all for watching. If you're here local, or if you can find st.roch's cucumber vodka where you live, pick up a bottle. Contact 7.3 Distilling if you can't find a local, and they can probably get it to you out of state. I don't know. But I just want to kind of show you guys another local spirit I found here in South Louisiana. It makes a great, great summertime cocktail. Super refreshing, clean, crisp, sweet, but not too sweet. Not like there's like a ton of simple syrup in here. It's just delicious, delicious. All right, guys, that's it for me. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget, click subscribe at the bottom of the channel here. Click the little bell icon. That'll tell you when I have a new video coming out. Thank y'all for watching. Have a great night, because I know after this one, I will. Man, who would have thought cucumber was this damn good? All right, guys. Thanks for watching.